If you've ever sat down to study and ended up scrolling, daydreaming, or staring at the same page for an hour, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a way to get more done in less time, without burning out? It's called the Pomodoro Technique, a science-backed method to help you work smarter, not harder. The secret to progress isn't pushing harder, it's showing up with focus. Just 25 fully present minutes can achieve more than hours of distracted effort, because when you protect your focus, every small session compounds into something powerful. The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. It uses a timer to break your work or study sessions into short, focused intervals, traditionally 25 minutes, called Pomodoros. Each Pomodoro is separated by a short break, giving your brain time to recharge before the next round. So why Pomodoro? Well, Pomodoro means tomato in Italian. Francesco Cirillo named the method after the little tomato-shaped kitchen timer he used as a student. It's simple, relatable, and surprisingly memorable, just like the technique itself. Here's how it works. Step 1. Choose a single task to focus on, just one. Step 2. Set a timer for 25 minutes and give that task your full attention. When the timer rings, take a 5-minute break, stretch, breathe, or grab a drink. After 4 Pomodoros, reward yourself with a longer break, around 15 to 30 minutes, before starting the next round. The Pomodoro technique works because it aligns with your brain's natural attention span. Our minds are built to focus deeply, but only for short bursts of time. By working in these focused intervals, you train your brain to concentrate more efficiently while also reducing mental fatigue. Using the Pomodoro technique doesn't just make you more productive, it makes your focus sustainable. It helps prevent burnout by balancing deep work with regular recovery. You'll find yourself finishing tasks faster, feeling calmer, and actually enjoying your study sessions. Over time, it reduces procrastination and builds a healthy sense of accomplishment, one Pomodoro at a time. You don't need anything fancy to start using Pomodoro technique. A simple kitchen timer or the timer on your phone works perfectly. You can even track your Pomodoros on paper. Just tick off each session as you go. And if you prefer apps, there are plenty of free apps available to try. The best tool is always the one you'll actually use. To make the Pomodoro technique really work for you, protect your focus. No interruptions during your Pomodoro. If you get distracted, quickly note it down and return to your task. You can also adjust your Pomodoro length, anywhere from 25 to 50 minutes, depending on the task and your energy levels. And for extra clarity, combine Pomodoros with to-do lists so you always know exactly what to work on next. Like any new habit, the Pomodoro technique takes a bit of practice, and there are a few common mistakes to watch out for. First, don't skip your breaks. They're essential for rest and recovery. Avoid multitasking during a Pomodoro. Protect that focus for just one task at a time. Plan your tasks realistically and don't give up too soon. The more you practice, the more natural this rhythm of focus and rest becomes. Now it's your turn. Pick one task you've been putting off, just one, and set your timer for 25 minutes. When that timer starts, give the task your full attention until the bell rings. You'll be amazed by what you can achieve in just one focused Pomodoro. Remember, small, consistent steps lead to big results. So go ahead, get started today.